everyone, I'm Allie, co-founder of Potomac Beads, and I'm going to do a little spotlight kind of review on melon beads for you today. Melon beads may be something that you are unfamiliar with, and I thought I would kind of highlight them a little bit, especially because Bridget is using them in an upcoming video that she has here. Melon beads are just round Czech glass beads that you can see have this little kind of indentation. When it has a little bit of a coating on it, a gold or a luster, you can see those indentations a little bit more. It basically is a corrugated round bead that we have in everything from 3 to 4 to 5, if you're looking for a 5mm, 6 and 8mm beads. Again, they are round and they have that corrugation and lines kind of going through them. That gives the appearance almost of an antique or something that is not completely round bead. It's a good alternative, like Bridget used here, the 3mm round in her bracelet, for something other than throwing in a crystal or a seed bead. The 3mm rounds I know are one of Anna's favorites. She uses a lot of them in her bead weaving designs as well as in her bead embroidery. They come in a fun kind of combination of colors, and they almost look, when they get bigger, like a beach ball, that they have those nice coatings and colors to them. Again, these are available in 3, 4, 5, 6, and 8mm. The smaller they are, I think the more you can see that corrugation and the more the unevenness. The bigger they are, and depending on the coating, they look a little bit more like a chiseled round bead. They are a fun version of a round bead that you may not be expecting, or you may not think so. Some of the patterns that you may see for the different round beads that are used, even something as simple as this little peyote stitch bracelet that I'm working on, is a nice alternative to plain round beads. And it also gives a different look and a different kind of eye-catching than to stick a crystal on the outer edge. So what do I think of the melon beads? I actually really love the melon beads. I love their antique look. I love the bright colors that they're available in, and even more so when they have that suede or that gold or that iris coating on it. If you want to, you can check out the melon beads that we have at potomacbeads.com as well as .eu, and we're happy to get them to you. So that's my product review. I give a thumbs up to the melons. I like the different sizes. I like how they have that little bit of an antique look, and please check them out. Again, if you want to, you can also subscribe, give a little thumbs up, and really help us out by commenting below on this YouTube video. Thanks so much for watching this product review, and happy beading, everyone.